Hello, I'm Associate Professor Sinan AYDIN. I am working as a lecturer at Anadolu University, Open Education faculty. At the same time, I work as the Deputy Dean of the Open Education faculty and continue my duty as the Director for the Learning Technologies Research and Development (R&D) unit. This is a unit where the course materials of Anadolu University Open Education system are produced and managed. In particular, it is a unit where both the learning management system and the software we call the inventory tracking system are developed. The history of our unit actually dates back to 4 decades. After the establishment of the Open Education system in 1982, our unit was established in 1989 as the Computer-Aided Education Unit. Of course, there was no intent in those years, but it was established as a unit where software was developed to enable students to receive education over computers. In 16 computer-aided education centers in different cities of Turkey, students were provided with learning and many different materials such as practice exams. Then, in 1999, with the introduction of the internet into our lives, we started to use these technologies. In particular, practice exams are the first service to meet students over the internet. Later, many different services such as e-practice and e-television were added to this. Finally, all of these services are combined into learning management system. Today, we offer our students 15 different learning materials from our learning management system called Anadolu eCampus. Of course, these are learning materials prepared in the structure that our students need. These include lecture videos, ebooks, and audio summaries. We offer many different materials to our students. Actually, we have many different goals and productions, but to summarize briefly, live courses are one of them. Live courses are one of our services that students have been in high demand for recently. It is a study in which faculty members now offer education services directly to our students, both in our laboratories and from different places. Apart from that, we have a new appointment online exam service. This is a new service that students can use, especially to get to know the exam environment before the actual exam and to measure how much they have learned. Apart from this, we are actually trying to develop a smart learning management system. You know, in our age, the importance of artificial intelligence and the effects of computers on people's learning process are undeniable. Therefore, such studies continue in our unit. In particular, we are working on a number of different applications, such as determining where there is a disruption in the learning process of the student and what kind of improvements can be made in order to be useful to the student. We expect to see the results of these in the coming years. In my opinion, one of the greatest contributions of the ÖTAG unit or Anadolu University's open education system to our students is the experience of lifelong learning. Because the learning materials offered by Anadolu University's open education system provide the experience of self-learning to students, if we think about it, the learning process never ends within the scope of lifelong learning. Employees need to constantly improve their skills. Therefore, in this career planning process, learning and e-learning gains are very important, and we consider them as gains that contribute a lot to our students in their future lives. Apart from this, Anadolu University is an institution that uses the most student labor force in Turkey as far as I know. Our unit benefits greatly from our students. We benefit greatly from the young generation in the production and digitization of these learning materials. They can also turn these gains into their own advantage in business life by adding them to their resumes later. Therefore, it is possible for our students to gain many useful experiences at Anadolu University.